to my professor as well as my family. So for my professor, I'm going to be explaining a lot more than you need to see in this. You can skip to the end when I'm just doing demo stuff if you don't want to actually watch all this. But for my family, stay tuned. So for my digital electronics final, I built this sequencer synthesizer. It's a 16-step sequencer that controls this synthesizer over here, and it's reprogrammable so it can play a bunch of cool stuff. Basically, I've got a power supply here. This whole board is just being used for this speaker, and then this is everything. This is the sequencer, this is the synth, and this is where you actually play the board. Right now I have it all set up so that it just does like a C major scale up and back. This little knob here controls tempo. So if you can see the LEDs right here, as I turn this up, it gets faster, and when I turn it all the way down, it gets really slow. So I'll turn it to a reasonable frequency and turn the speaker on. So now I'll cut and I'll do sort of a little demo of me making a sequence and showing off anything else cool I can think of. Anyway, that's a little bit what it looks like to play it. I'm just sort of plugging wires where I want them to go. I'm not super good at making something up on the fly. So I will add a couple clips of other things that I've taken some time to put some, make something interesting. But otherwise, thanks for watching.
Time you alien video game.
Dude, I swear I've heard this song in Axiom Verge.
I've heard this song in video game you've never heard of before.
I kind of like it too. I got you, mate.
What are you doing? It sounds like Pac-Man.
Yeah.